how do we use ChatGPT like a pro? So watch this video. So to use ChatGPT, so you know how it looks like this. So yan, what can I help you with? Yan. So you would see that there's all these things, right? So you type whatever your question here is. But for us to be able to use ChatGPT effectively and like a professional prompt engineer, so ito yung example niya, no? So there are different kinds of prompt engineer techniques, no? So majority of the people know zero-shot learning, which is basically telling the AI model to, with just one sentence lang, like, make a blog post for blah, blah, blah. So yeah, so that's zero-shot learning, no? So hindi siya effective in the long run kasi nga walang context si ChatGPT or any LLM, no? So the different types, meron tayong one shot, meron tayong few shot, meron tayong chain of thought, iterative, negative, hybrid, and prompt chaining. So all of these things have their own use at their own time. So my suggestion really is to understand ano ba lahat yan. So example lang naman. So just para hindi mahaba yung explanation natin. Pero one shot is bibigyan mo siya ng isang example. Few shot, bibigyan mo ng dalawa or madaming example. Chain of thought, meron kang pagkasunod-sunod na question na naiintindihan niya, no? So negative prompting, maglalagay ka ng wag niyang gagawin. Don't put emojis, don't put XX, whatever, no? Parang wala kang ipapalagay sa kanya na ayaw mo lang, no? So, sabi, medyo complicated to. So, obviously, medyo madaming iisipin. So, suggestion ko na lang is to do this, no? And I think I discussed this in the previous videos. Tandaan nyo na lang yung framework na to. Here, context, action, result, example. So, every time you chat with ChatGPT or any other LLM like Gemini, Meta, lagyan niya lang ng context. Ano ba yung context? Parang siyang stage. Ano bang gusto niyang gawin niya? Ano ba yung kanyang, ano ba yung role niya? Ano ba siyang actor, no? So, imagine nyo na lang yung magiging role niya. Siya ba isang social media manager na expert? Siya ba teacher na magaling? And then, lalagyan mo ng action. Ano ba yung gusto mong pagawa sa kanya? Specifically, ano yung gusto mong pagawa sa kanya? Ano yung result na ibibigay niya sa'yo? So, ano yung outcome? Gagawa ba siya ng bullet points? Gagawa ba siya ng paragraph? Gagawa ba siya ng essay? Whatever, no? So, and then, mas maganda, pinakamaganda sa lahat, maglagay ka ng example. So, kung meron kang ideal na blog post na style or social media na style, maganda na ilagay mo siya ng context or example. Ayan, so tandaan nyo lang, care. And with that, you can be a pro when using ChatGPT. So if you enjoy this video, follow me, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.